So hello students, welcome back to my channel. So we are solving questions of general organic chemistry. So let's start again. So read the question. First question: the order of relative stability of contributing structure is. So whenever this type of question is coming, so basically these things are known as resonating structure. So resonating structure, if you have studied about the resonating structure, so there are some points which you have to remember, and directly straightforward question will be asked to you. First one, in resonating structure, if you don't know, you can write also. The neutral one will be always stable than anyone else. Always neutrals are always stable. So if you'll see, first one is neutral, there is no charge on the molecule, so obviously first one will be highly stable. So if you will see, even you know this much also, then also you are able to solve the question. In first option itself, only one is there where it is stable, so directly also you can do in the exam, for if you want to save the time. Let's see about second and third how you can comment. Then you have to see the multiple bonds. If whoever has the more multiple bonds, so that will be more stable. So if you will see, there also one double bond is there in this, and here also one double bond is there, so multiple bonds are same only. Then you see the charge on the atoms. So here electronegative atom is oxygen. If electronegative atom is there, electronegative atom, if negative charge is there, it's good. If less electronegative, then it should have like positive charge. If you'll see this option, this one, so here electronegative atom is oxygen and it has O negative, and less electronegative is carbon, it is a positive charge. So that's why this is more stable. Second is more stable than this one. If you will see, here electronegative atom is positive charge, and electronegative atom positive charge is not stable. That's why it is, this resonating structure is less stable than this one. Even you can directly comment also by the neutral method. As I told you, neutral molecules are always stable in even in the resonating structure also. So I hope this question is clear now. So easy question. Let's move to the next question then. So read the next question. What they are asking here: the molecular formula of second homologues of series of monocarboxylic acid. So simple thing, you must know first what is the meaning of homologue. So if you don't know, you can write. So carboxylic acid's first member of carboxylic acid is what? HCOH. Second member they are asking, second homologue. So second homologue, if I have to write, so obviously this one, CH3 COH. So this is your second homologue. If I no, simple thing they are asking, what is the formula for this? So how many carbon are there? C2 H4 O2. Simple question. Homologue means what? If you know the first person, then just add CH2 there. Just I'll write. Just a second. If you know first one person, so after that you just have to add that. Are you getting my point? Add that means you just have, you can write in your copy, you just have to add there CH2, that's it. What you have to add? CH2. If I'll ask third homologue, then again add CH2 in this formula, you get the third. If I'll ask fourth, fifth, like this, so CH2 unit, you just add there, you will get the homologue. So simple question, this type of silly question can be asked to you in exam, so make a note point for them. Third question. Now third question, what they are asking, they are asking the technique used for the purification of steam volatile water immiscible substance. So simple thing, whenever purification of steam volatile substance, if we'll talk, and if they are immiscible, then you can use simple here the process of steam distillation. Okay, so if you read the theory little bit about this, so you might have studied all these things. That is known as steam distillation. If immiscible substance are there, steam volatile water will be there, immiscible substance. Okay, so theoretical based question this one. So next question is this one. What they have asked here, they are asking bond line arrows. Bond line arrow means like this. we make in organic chemistry, like this. These are known as bond line arrows, where we won't show any hydrogen and we won't show carbon also. This indicates itself is there is one carbon. This indicates there is one carbon here, one carbon here, one carbon here, one carbon here, and one carbon here. This bond line arrow means this only. So if you have to make bond line arrow for this one, so let's see how you can draw. Simple thing you can draw here with the help of between one carbon is there, so one carbon will be there, one OH group will be attached here. But again, I am not making the bone arrow, and just normally I am making simple thing like how it will look like. So CN, then CN. Then this is the normal representation. Some student will tick this one also answer. Like if you will see here, third option is also given for that. But bond line, if you never show carbon there between one, like whatever is there attached group only you can show there. You don't have to show the between one like carbon where from where junction is there. So correct option, if you will see, is fourth option, where the between one carbon is not mentioned there. Are you getting my point? This between carbon is not mentioned. You don't need to mention in the bond line. So that is an important thing students can do wrong here. So make a note point for that, how to draw the bond line. See, the questions are very simple, just you have to look once, that's it. So let's move to the next question. So simple question, read the question. They are asking the difference in energy between the actual structure and the lowest structure of resonating structure is known as what? So simple thing, the name itself, they are only speaking, right? Resonating structure. So what is the meaning of that? So what do you think? What will be the answer there? Simple question. See, very simple question. The answer will be your resonance energy. So second option will be your correct answer. They itself written there the energy difference between the actual structure and the lowest structure of resonating structure. So obviously if they are saying resonating structure 100%, then resonance energy will be there. Normal common sense based question, this one. So this type of question can also be asked in your exam. So just open your eyes always while writing the exam properly. Okay. So and if you see explanation for that, actually the origin of resonance resonating structure origin of resonance came from this concept only, whatever they have written that upside, because one structure is not able to explain the property, so we need resonating structures to explain the properties like bond length and all these things, bond order. Okay, so let's move to the next question. So what is next question? Read the appearance of blood red color or sodium extract and all. So these kind of things, if you remember, you must know that at least blood red, I always say like blood red complex is what? FeSCN whole thrice. This one is known as blood red color complex. Whoever like reading in class and all, they must know all these things. Like blood red, many times I told, like iron, and this one is known as blood red. Basically iron will be there, SCN whole thrice. This is known as blood red. So what do you think? What it contains? It contains like carbon, and it contains carbon, hydrogen, sulfur. So obviously it is used to detect the nitrogen and sulfur. This one is the correct answer. So third is the correct answer for this simple question. Very simple. Just if you know this complex, then you are able to solve the question. Then read the next question. The interaction between pi bond and lone pair present adjacent atom is responsible for. So what do you think? What will be the answer for this? So they are asking simple thing that is known as resonance effect. If you have little bit also studied about the resonance effect, the interaction between the pi bond and lone pair present adjacent atom is responsible for, like this. Lone pair are there, single bond, this is lone pair, single bond and double bond. This is known as what? Resonance effect. So simple question. So we move to the next question. Then the next question is what? Next question, read. They are asking the ascending order of following hydrogen atoms acidity order. if you will see first option, whenever they are asking acidity, you must know that acidity is directly proportional to percentage S character also whenever same carbon atoms are given. So how you will compare between the same carbon atoms? For acidity, basically will make the negative charge and then you can compare, or you can directly remember percentage S character is directly proportional to electronegativity. Or you can say triple bond hydrogens are more acidic. That's why we say like alkynes are more acidic than alkenes. So if you'll see, A option is alkyne and B option is alkene. So what do you think, which will be more acidic? Obviously B will be more acidic than A will be more acidic than B. So if you know this much also, then also your two options are getting eliminated here, second option and third option. Now you will see only first option and fourth option. So now see, first option A and B are there, then after that C and D they are asking about. So if you will see these groups are electron donating group, right? Electron donating group we don't need. If you have to see the carbanion, then we need always electron withdrawing kind of group, that is known as minus I effect. Electron withdrawing groups are directly proportional to your acidic character. So CH3 is plus I group here, like, so more plus I group means acidity will be less. So obviously you can comment from there which option will be the correct answer. First one, because in D there is only one CH3 which is donating there, and in this there are 3 CH3 which are donating there. Already their conjugate will be negative, will be there, so there is no logic behind that. You will think something else. So simple question, this one, very very simple question. So I hope it is clear. The next question read, they are asking match the following compound. Let's make it a little bit big. So they are asking here match list 1 and list 2. So maybe sometimes student will feel, sir, how we can know the values and all. You don't need to know the any value, you just have to simple know things like Ka more means pKa less, and Ka more means acidic more. Just I am writing here, just a second. As I have told you, Ka more means what? Ka more means acidic more, directly you can write. So write down in your copy, you can write if you want. Ka more means acid more. Acid more. So pK they are asking. So Ka more means pK will be less. So simple thing. So you have to tell basically which are least acidic, they will be like least acidic, pK will be more. So if you will talk about this one, alcohol system is given to you. Simple thing, alcohol, ROH type of alcohol is there and phenol type of alcohol is there. So ethanol and phenol if you will see the resonating like phenol, if you will see phenol look like this. So if you will make here O minus, so this O minus is stabilized. First we are removing the hydrogen, then anion will form, and if you will see ethanol will be your C2H5 and O minus. So among these two, if you will see, this negative is stabilized by resonance. So ethanol and phenol, which will be more stable, like which will be more stable? Obviously its conjugate is more stable, means phenol is more acidic than your ethanol. So definitely, so ethanol we can say it is least acidic. Least acidic means pK will be very very high, because if acid is less means pK will be high. So simple thing, A answer will be 2. So A, if you are connecting with 2, then which option you are getting here? Just see, all options are getting cancelled, only fourth option you are getting. Directly also you can comment there. But let's see the next one. For phenol, if you will see, then after that obviously phenol will come. So phenol B1 will be there. Then in meta and para, as you know, at para position minus M will be very very high. So you will give priority to D. D will be most acidic here. So D will be your 3. So pK will be very very less there. So directly also, even in exam no need to show the knowledge, you can directly do with the options also, because this is competitive exam, right? So one option if you also know, you can directly comment. Match the following is always a simple question. So I hope it is clear. Normal base questions are coming always. Just focus on the basic things. Okay, let's move to the next question now. So next question is your IUPAC name they are asking about. So obviously there is no choice here. One ring is only given to you and you have to give 1 2 3 4 numbering. That's it. So from where you will start the numbering? This is your functional group. So functional group is the more priority, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then simple thing, now you have to give the numbering. So you can give, how you will give? Cyclo will be word there. First of all, cyclo word will be there. Then hex will come, then 2 in, then 1 whole. Simple 4 option. Are you getting my point? Just 1 whole also, if student know, then also you can directly take there even fourth option. So simple thing. Just you must know like from where priority will be there. A functional group priority will be more than double bond, then your number of carbon atoms, then after that your one proper priority order is there. So whoever are reading properly, you just read the priority order, you will get very easily, then you can crack the questions. So next question, let's see what is next question. So they are asking the chromatography technique based on the principle of differential adsorption is R. So simply they are asking, so choose the most appropriate answer from them. So normally this is your practical based question. So you can say like here your A and B are correct option, like column chromatography and thin layer chromatography are actually the principle depend upon the adsorption. Clear? So C option is the correct answer, theoretical base. So read some theory regarding that while you are while you are going to labs and all. So these things at least read properly, so that at least your 1 2 question which will come, you can able to solve that one. So I think that's all for today's lecture. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So thank you for watching. Okay, so we'll meet in next class then. So be happy and do the revision. Okay.